everyone! Welcome to our channel where we make finance fun and easy to understand. Want to secure your financial future and have a little fun while doing it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Gold IRAs, a fantastic way to diversify your retirement portfolio. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer on opening a Gold IRA. Alright, let's dive straight into it. Imagine diving into a pool of golden opportunities. Opening a Gold IRA is simpler than you think. It's like having a financial advisor right by your side. First, choose the right custodian. They handle your precious assets. No, not the janitor from your high school. We need someone specialized in finance. A financial institution approved by the IRS to handle your Gold IRA. Think of them as your gold babysitters. They ensure your assets are well taken care of. They keep your shiny assets safe and sound. Next, open your account. This step is straightforward and essential. Provide some basic information and documents. Fill out some forms, mostly checkboxes and signatures. It's a breeze, and boom, you're halfway there. Celebrate this milestone. Step 3, fund your IRA. This is where you start putting your money to work for you. You can do this by rolling over an existing retirement account like a 401k or a traditional IRA. It's like moving your money from your left pocket to your right pocket, but way more profitable in the long run. Now comes the fun part, buying the gold. This is where you get to choose your golden treasures. You can't just grab any shiny rock in your backyard. It has to meet specific criteria. The IRS has specific requirements for the gold you can invest in. This ensures the quality and value of your investment. It must meet certain purity standards, like 99.5% pure gold. Only the best for your retirement fund. We're talking top-shelf quality here, folks. This is the creme de la creme of gold investments. Your custodian will help you buy the gold from an approved dealer. They make the process smooth and hassle-free. This is where you can channel your inner treasure hunter. It's an exciting part of the journey. And don't worry, they'll handle all the nitty-gritty details. You can sit back and relax. Once you've got your gold, it's stored in a secure depository. This ensures its safety and security. Picture a high-tech vault with laser beams and everything. It's like something out of a movie. Your gold will be safer than your secret stash of chocolate. You can rest easy knowing it's well protected. And just like that, you've got yourself a Gold IRA. It's a significant step towards a secure financial future. It's a shiny, secure way to diversify your retirement portfolio and hedge against inflation. Diversification is key to a robust investment strategy. Plus, you can sleep soundly knowing you've got some real tangible assets backing you up. So why wait? Peace of mind is priceless. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer today and start your journey to a glittering retirement. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. And remember, a Gold IRA isn't just an investment, it's your ticket to a worry-free future. It's a step towards financial freedom and security. Thanks for watching and happy investing. We hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring.